Kelebechio, kelebechio, kelebechio na madabu chuku. Kelebechio, kelebechi na madabu chuku. I have a man when to say be God, and when he talk, he want make me pause. Oh God, I wish I know how to sing this to the finish here. You think say you be God? Like I don't understand. You think say you be God? And the worst part of it is that say you know why these people, this kind of people message as in their comment, no, they too pay me because they are not proud of themselves. If you get your chest, as in your chest many, e big well, you want to drop this kind of comment, why you go use account when e be say you just create am and a fake account. I know say you went drop that comment, you know yourself, maybe you know me or whatever. You think say you want just drop that comment to make me feel bad of myself, or you want to do anything bad to me. So why can't you come with your main account? Why can't you come? Because every woman being on Facebook, you get profile. If you not get page, you get profile. So why you leave your profile, for example, come with account when you just create when nobody knows na you. Huh? You drop comment for me yesterday, say my country people, I go leave am for the screen. My country people, they unboss new house, but I dey here they unboss ugly curtain. You be my God, Abi? Shebi you think say you be my God? I dey ask you. You look me finish, you can't say you be my God. Why can't you come? Like I dey like when these kind of people want talk, you go come and go know say okay, now this person they talk to me. Then me and you go come see, as in we go come see check and balance. If na your own, if na your curtain really better pass my own, me and you, that can I go tell no. If really say I supposed to don't buy mansion and I never buy, now that time I go tell no. But for you coming like this with account where you know say no they exist, you will not, as in you are very as in you don't know yourself. Okay, you are not proud of yourself. If you are proud of yourself, you want to stand with your talk, you want to dey boldly to talk to me. You're supposed to come with your main profile. Okay, you're supposed to do wetin, come with your main profile. Say wetin make me dey unboss ugly curtain when my mate dey unboss mansion. Just look at you, wetin you don unboss? Wetin you don unboss? And you no fit use that your account when your boss and put to take write to me. You guys, you are not a God. Okay, you see you when drop these comments, whoever you be, you are not a God. Okay, Mado Aborochi. If anybody, if person on boss house today, people they were on boss house yesterday. Okay, if person on boss car today, people they were on boss car yesterday. And people they were go on boss car tomorrow. So all of us not come this world one day. And we are not going to live it one day. So I know my life and I'm okay with my life. And if you are not okay on your own, you see what they call transformer, you have to go and hug it. Okay, you see what they call transformer, you better go hug am because they call you. And the next time you go draw this kind of comment from my post, if you say you know that transformer do on its own, you go know how you go take go hug am. Because a very, very bitter soul. You are very, very what? A bitter soul, and a bitter person like you're not supposed to live where other people are living. What a stupid. People they unboss mansion and they unboss ugly what do they call them? Curtain. What you unboss? Wetin you unboss? You no fit show because you go use stupid ninja take the comment for my post. You think say be my God. I not blame you, but you go use your two eyes see am and you go confirm. You think say you be my God.